Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a contact on AOL Mail. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and then press enter. You will then be taken into your AOL Mail account where you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. Just use your credentials in order to log into your account and you will be taken into your home page. Now from the home page of your email, click on the contacts option at the left tab and you will be able to see all of your contacts that you have. Just click on the contact that you wish to edit and then click on edit contact at the right side. You will now be allowed to make any changes to this contact, including their profile picture by clicking on the camera icon, and you can change their name, their nickname, email address, phone number, their residential address, as well as their work and personal details. Once you have made all of the required changes, you can click on the Save button at the bottom left and your changes will be updated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit a contact on your AOL Mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.